There is this one particular feature on YouTube that can generate a lot of views, a lot of watch hour that YouTubers are ignoring. And that is what I've been sharing today in today's video. Yeah, also some of my besties also watched the video I posted last week and they requested that I should make this video for them. And that is how to create playlists on their channel. Yeah, so before I start, I'm going to share the benefits you'll be enjoying when you have a playlist. And secondly, I'll be sharing 3 ways you can create your own playlist. Make sure you stay to the end so that you can enjoy all the things I'll be sharing in today's video. So I'm going to be starting with the benefits. Number one benefit is it makes your channel organized. Yes, that means if you're the kind of person that you have long form video, you have short video, you have live stream, and you have maybe a vlog, you have tutorial, you have so many things happening on your channel, and people will come, they will not know where to start from. If you have a playlist, it will help you to organize them, and only live stream will be on their own, only short will be on their own, and long form video will be on their own. So anyone that wants the long form video can just go there, click on it, and watch the one they want. So you can see it makes your channel so organized. And secondly, it boosts your watch hour. So you can imagine when people are watching your video from playlists, what happens is that when someone goes through your playlist, when they click on it, the thing that will be there is all your videos. YouTube makes it in a way that when they click on your video, if it happens that the videos that are there are like 100 and they click play all, it's not going to go to another video. Or like if you come to YouTube, you click on a video, after watching it will recommend another video. But this one, you will be on that person's playlist until that 100 videos exhausted, unless you want to end it. So that's the beauty of it. So you can imagine when somebody is watching your video that up to 150 in a playlist, you can imagine how much watch hour the person will accumulate for you. And then the same thing goes, the third one is the views. So as they are watching the videos, the longer they stay to generate the watch hour, is also the same way they will generate views for you. So you can see the benefit of creating a playlist. And then the fourth benefit is it encourages your viewers to stay longer. Yes, and it engages them so well, in the sense that if you have, so maybe your videos are very valuable or have value on the channel, on your content, and it's maybe so entertaining, it makes them to stay longer. Because if they're enjoying you, like my video now, most of people come because of the way I smile, some of them come because of the value I rendered, and some other things. And also the final one is that it helps people to run your playlist. Yes, you can share the link of your playlist, and then tell your lovely friends and your family and your loved one to run your playlist for those that want to boost their watch hour for their monetization. So you can share your playlist and they help you run your playlist every time so that you can be able to generate your watch hour. So these are the benefits you will enjoy when you create a playlist. So that let me show you with my second phone how you can create playlists. So me looking down now shows that I'm looking at my phone, and I'll start recording my screen so that you can see how you can create. So everything is going to be done in your YouTube. So I'm not going to go to desktop studio or studio app so that it will not confuse it. So exactly everything I'm going to do here is going to be in your YouTube. So I'll start the recording right away. I'm my YouTube. I'm using my second channel to do this. Yes. So number one way you can do it is just go straight to your channel. When it opens, you click. You can see here is a history. The second one is playlist. So on this playlist, you can see, like I said earlier, YouTube has already created a playlist for you, but those ones are the ones YouTube created for you. and then you can also create yours manually. So you can see here, when you open it, you will see playlist, you will see a plus sign. Plus sign is for you to create new. And then this view, let's open it, let's go through the view so you understand what I'm saying. This three now is the one that YouTube has, automatically created for you. And these like videos are maybe when you're watching people's video and you like it, YouTube has already created a playlist for you, for to show all the videos you have liked so far on YouTube, every other video you have watched on YouTube. So with this channel now, I've liked like 533 videos, and that is what is showing me. And it is on private because it's nobody's business to know the videos I've liked. It's not left for you to know whether you will make it public or not. And then the second one is sounds from shorts. Like now, if you're watching a short video and you want to recreate that short because of the sound, you like the sound, all you need to do is to click on that short video, save, and it will come and save here in your playlist. So anytime you want to create that, you recreate that same shot, all you need to do is to come to your playlist, click on that shot that you sound that you have saved, and choose the one you want to recreate. So like now I have saved like some of the songs I like from the shot, and that is what is here. And then this watch later, maybe we have seen a video you want to watch, but you don't have time at that part, that in the time you open it, there's no time for you to watch it. So all you need to do is to save it to watch later, and this is where it will come. So now the essence of this video is for us to create a playlist. So you can see after this three, you can see create a new playlist. So in this channel now, I've not created any playlist because I want to, do that with my besties just to show them how to go about it. So we click on, uh, you know, create a new. So you have to give it a title. So now I don't have a short, I don't have any playlist at all. So I'm going to be creating three playlists on this channel, but I'm going to show you one because we're on tutorial. So one of it is going to be on short, and another one on live stream, and another one on what's it called, on long form video. So here I'm going to maybe write video, or let me just write short. Let me just write short videos. So just for you to walk around it, I want people to see it so that they can also watch it to generate views for me, views and watch hour. So you can see here the visibility here is public, unlisted, and private. If you have watched my video on visibility, you'll know that this is a three major visibility I told you that YouTube has. They have public, unlisted, and private. So in this one, we're going to make it public, and then public. This collaborate means if you have a video that you have done with maybe a partner or something that you collaborated with someone, you can also put it in this collaboration, so that in case if that person have it in their own, or has it in their own channel, you also have it, and YouTube will not penalize you for reuse content because two of you collaborated on that video. So that is the work of this collaborate. So now we have created, we are putting the title, we are putting the visibility, we create. So you can see when you refresh, you can see it's here. So all I need to do is to add. I'm not going to add. If I want to add video, I will now go to my channel and add the video, to check my name also that. But in this, let's not make it too long. Yeah, now we have created this one. That is the purpose of this one. I don't want to start adding my own video now at the moment. So second way, like I told you, second way you can do it when you want to upload a fresh video. So in this plus sign, like you are creating your video, you upload any video. So let me just take any video from my gallery. Let me take this one. And when you upload it, just like you're uploading your video, you can put your thumbnail. We are not doing all that now, but the purpose of here is where to put your playlist. So here is your title, here is your description, visibility, audience, whether it's meant for kids or not, and then location. This is the main thing, add to playlist. So this is where, if you are creating fresh video, you're uploading a new video, this is where you set up everything and then add your playlist and then upload. Remember, I'm not uploading, I'm just using it as a tutorial, so I'm going to cancel it. So this is it, to add playlist. So that is it. This is the second one. I'm going to discard this because I'm not uploading any video. Then the third one, because I told you that I'm going to be doing 3 ways you can upload. Then now is how you can add your existing videos, how you can add your existing video, and through that you can also create a playlist. Then let's go. I'm seeing my channel. Go to your videos. When you open your videos, these are the videos I have in my channel. I have videos here, I have short, and I have live stream. So this is the one I posted 11 days ago. All you need to do, because you have already posted this one, is to click on these three dots, and when it's open it says save to playlist. And when you click on save to playlist, it will bring out all the playlists you have. If the ones you have here is not where you want to add it to, you create your own fresh one. So like now that the one video I clicked on is on a long form video, and you can see here I don't have any long form video. All I need to do is to click here, to add new playlist. I'll put here, what will I call it? Vlogs. Let me say, type in vlogs. Yes, vlogs. I'm still going to change it. It just depends. Just walk around it. Make sure you use, the title you want, or anything that people can use to recognize what you are talking about. Then we make it public, and then create. You can see it has saved. See, list has been saved. So if I now go to, let's check it again. Let's click on my playlist. You can see it has been added. Look at the new one I created. That's short videos. I've not added any video. That shows that is the new one we created. And then look at the vlog one I just created now. That means it's only one video that is here. So every other video I have now, all the ones I have, let me add another one so you understand again. You go back to your videos, and this one, or a vlog, Coatic 24 hours in the life of, or blah blah blah. So it's save. You can see it's here already. I just click on vlogs and click done. I've added my video on the playlist. So let's go back again. Check. Now I have two videos. So that's how I'm going to do it to all the videos I have. If you have any of the video that have not been on any playlist, this is how you're going to create it and then add all of them. So when you want to share it, like now we're on the playlist and I want to share this vlog playlist to someone, all I need to do is to click on it. Oh no, not from here. Yeah, you go there, click on it, it will open, and then you click on this, share, and it will bring us, it's either you copy the link, quick share, or invite collaborate, or you can put it on share through WhatsApp, Facebook, and every other thing that is here. So this is how you go about it. And if you don't have, you want to send it to WhatsApp, you send it to this place, or you click, copy the link and share to wherever you want to share. So that is how to create your playlist. And I hope this video is going to be helpful to someone. And if you have watched up until this point, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and then join my membership to support this channel and also to enjoy exclusive perk. See you in my next video. Yeah.